You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Tuesday, the 9th of December. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather, beautiful today. Got the sun back in full force. We'll take that. And we're going to stay dry for a while. Question is, when does that cold air get in here late this weekend and how cold? All the new data is in. So let's look at it together. We begin with the upper air look around the nation. And again, we've got a northwest flow aloft here, a relatively stable dry flow, and that's going to keep us rain-free for a while. Check the visible satellite view, and look at here. We've just got basically nothing, not a cloud in the entire state. Those clouds on the Chattahoochee are moving over into Georgia. And again, we're going to see several sunny days ahead after a series of cloudy, gray, overcast, dull days. Closest precipitation is way up north. That's an Alberta Clipper. We got a couple of those things, and that's going to produce some pretty good snow up north, not down here. But snow is falling over much of central Minnesota, back into northeast North Dakota. Those things slide in from Canada and move southeast, but those stay north of us. We are generally in the 50s this afternoon. We've got a couple of upper 40s, Huntsville and Cullman, Hamilton. But most spots are in the 50s today. We're going to be warmer tomorrow. The southern two-thirds of the state should see highs in the 60s. That'll feel good. Up north with that Alberta Clipper, we've got a winter storm warning in effect from North Dakota, the northeastern corner, down through central Minnesota into central Wisconsin. Some winter weather issues up in the northeast United States, and still very windy across the high plain states. A lot of wind advisories and high wind warnings in effect up there. And not a single thunderstorm in the entire United States today. Same thing tomorrow, and the same thing on Thursday. So needless to say, we have no concerns about severe thunderstorms anytime soon, and really not a lot of rain. This is the update you saw this morning. The new one is not in yet. If I had to guess on the new update this afternoon, they'll take out that little bit over North Alabama. It looks awfully dry here over the course of the next 7 days, and most likely beyond that, as you'll see in modeling. In fact, let's go right to it, model fans. This is the European 12Z run, 4 o'clock tomorrow. Again, that Clipper is coming down into the northeast United States, and again, for us, it's just going to be a nice day. Mostly sunny, 60s for the southern two-thirds of the state, 50s for the northern third of the state. So this is Thursday. Now, Thursday will be about 5 to 8 degrees cooler in the wake of that Clipper that passed well to the north. That's going to drag down slightly cooler air. So highs on Thursday in the 50s for most of the state, but still not bad. The air dry, the sky will stay sunny. This is Friday. We warm back up. In fact, I think we might see 60s up to Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, Anniston. Upper 50s for the Tennessee Valley. Parts of South Alabama may be flirting with 70 on Friday, on Friday. And again, the next Clipper producing some snow for West Virginia, Ohio, Northern Virginia. That'll stay well north of here. What about the weekend, you ask? This is Saturday, and just 4 days ago, the models had suggested this big Arctic outbreak with highs in the 30s over North Alabama. Quite frankly, it looks like we're going to see 60s almost statewide. That's a big flip right there. But the day will be dry. And then on Sunday, that surge of colder air begins to move in during the day. Highs will likely drop into the 50s, probably 40s for the Tennessee Valley. And Sunday night's still going to be pretty cold. These are temperature anomalies for Sunday night at midnight. This is coming off the European ensemble. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. They're basically identical, showing temperatures way below average over the eastern half of the country. We're just getting kind of a glancing blow here, but that should get just about everybody way below freezing by Monday morning. And then during the day Monday, the day will be sunny. Highs in the upper 40s for the northern counties, 50s for the southern counties. And this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 16th of December. Little shortwave ridge, and once again, we are rain-free. So let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 19th of December, and it's a zonal flow. I've got a pretty good trough coming into the northeast United States, but again, there's evidence with a weak front. There could be a few sprinkles toward the end of next week, but really not a lot here. So once again, the chance of any meaningful precipitation looking really low for the rest of this week, the weekend, and basically all of next week at this point. And accordingly, there's just not much rain showing up on this chart. This is the rain for the next 15 days coming off the European Ensemble, the AI version. And you're looking for the green line. You know the deal. You watch these videos, and it's not under 1 inch, 1/2 to 1 inch between now and the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. And that's pretty dry for December. We typically have very frequent rain-producing systems here this time of the year. We'll check temperatures coming off the NBM. And again, I stress when you see this, this is kind of for the middle of the state. We just kind of take a midpoint here. If you're in the Tennessee Valley, take a few degrees off. If you're in Dothan or Andalusia, Mobile, add a few degrees. But you can see the coldest morning will be Monday morning with lows in the 20s. The high Monday in the upper 40s, but then we bounce back with mid-50s by the middle part of next week. And look at the 60 and 61 Friday and Saturday. Hey, that'll feel pretty good. And just in moments ago, latest long-range guidance, December 17th through December 23rd. And if this works out, temperatures a little above average, getting close to Christmas here. But you get the idea of this big ridge in the western states kind of nosing in here. Still pretty cold up in the northeast, relatively mild out in the western United States. Let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Oh, what a crowd. I like this. I like a big crowd. Had the entire student body in the gym today at West Side Elementary School in Cedartown, Georgia. What a great crowd today. We had a really, really good session on the science of meteorology. And speaking of really good, check this out. Oh, yeah, that's outstanding. Incredible. What a cake. I mean, that is too good. But did some storm spotting. We need more storm spotters. Talked about how we forecast the weather, how thunderstorms are good. We need the rain, a vital part of the water cycle. Then some severe weather safety and much more. That's a great school with great teachers. So again, to all these amazing students and teachers at West Side Elementary in Cedartown, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know you guys are looking good. So we're getting set for the Toys for Tots marathon we do every year. We'll start that Thursday evening. I'll be live at the Walmart on Highway 150 in Hoover. And we're looking for a new unwrapped toy. And the need is great this year. The United States Marines, they're our partners in this, and they get it done. They will get it done. But we need you to participate. So I'll be out at the Walmart Thursday evening on Highway 150 in Hoover. I'll be there from about 4 o'clock until 6:30. But they'll be there basically all day and all night Thursday night. And then Friday morning, I will be at Memorial Park Elementary School in Jasper, Walker County. Don't forget, you can catch me this evening on ABC 3340 News and every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Tuesday evening, and God bless.